Hello, I am great. Thank you. How are you?
Good. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Ramzan and I'm from India.
Oh,
And
nice.
you?
My name's Karina and I live in Connecticut.
Okay. So, what's your profession?
I'm not working at the moment. I do have a bachelor's degree in digital media and design. Actually, I
Mhm,
graduated last May from UConn, and
mhm.
I'm currently like looking for jobs on job search sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, to name a few. And I haven't really had much luck because of the climate of the economy right now. It's not great because of the pandemic. It's just been pretty chaotic, and it's been tough for a lot of people to find jobs in the United States.
Uh-huh.
Um, so right now I'm dedicating my time to nannying and also tutoring on Cambly while I'm also looking for jobs, like
Okay, so
corporate
you mean
jobs.
that meanwhile you are preparing for exams, interview, as well as you are working on Cambly, right?
Um, no interviews yet. No one has reached out to me. But I have prepared in the past for interviews.
Okay.
But as of right now, nothing. There's nothing, unfortunately.
Okay,
And
no problem. So,
what do you? Sorry.
yes, go ahead.
Oh, what do you do for a living?
I'm a software developer, so working on
Interesting. Okay.
websites and mobile apps.
Interesting. How long have
Yes.
you been doing it for?
From last 3 years, I'm working on it.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. That's so cool. And are you looking to focus on a particular topic today, or do you just want to have a conversation?
Yes, I'm interested to have some conversation, wanted to know about your culture, and I'm also trying to explore the things
Cool.
so that I'm also actually I'm also interested to uh, understand your accent. So these are the things which I'm interested to do in this session.
Perfect. Perfect. Sounds good. We could definitely just have a conversation. That's totally fine. Do
Yes.
you
So yes,
prefer to eat at home or eat out?
I preferred to eat not at home, but I know that eating outside is not good for me. So that's
Mm,
why I have to eat in home.
right.
And
I
you?
I agree with that somewhat, but I feel like you could always find healthy options. I feel like there are always like vegetarian options. You could always find like a salad or something at a restaurant. But I see your point because normally when you eat out, it's typically unhealthy. So I know what you mean. I see what you mean.
Yes.
I love to eat out. If it were up to me, I love going to restaurants and
Oh,
eating out. I just love I just love food and just like good food, like Italian food, Thai food, Peruvian food. I just love trying new foods
I,
as well.
I have a question. So as you are preparing for your interview, so
Mhm.
I am interested to check your confidence. So can you please tell me something about yourself? I mean, for example, if someone is asking you this question, then professionally, how you will be answering?
Professionally, how will I be answering? I kind of
Yes.
give like there's this thing called an elevator. What is it? Sorry, elevator pitch. It's called elevator pitch. So you start off saying, "Hi, my name's Karina. I'm a recent graduate from the University of Connecticut with a Bachelor of Arts degree in digital media design with a focus in business strategies. I grew up in a
Mhm.
trilingual household, so in addition to speaking English, I also grew up speaking German and Spanish. I learned many skills through my core major. One in my consumer decision behavior class, I learned about how consumer decision making behavior plays a big role in today's digital world. Um, I'm just very interested in developing on my skills. I'm a good listener. I and then I'd list out all my skills. Right now, I don't have it on the top of my head, but I'd list out all my skills. That's how I'd start off.
Okay. And one thing, for example, if they are asking you for what's your weakness, so how you will be answering that?
Um, I have, hold on one second. I actually have let me look. I did take notes once for this. But I have
No,
my
actually,
notes like,
don't need that notes. I have a simple question. For example, how you will be handling this type of negative aspects. So I am interested to learn from you as well.
oh, to learn from me as well. Okay.
Yes.
So an example would be that I've always struggled when it comes to speaking in front of my class during a class presentation. I decided to take initiative and took a public speaking course at UConn my last semester of senior year. With some practice, I started to become more comfortable speaking in front of a large group of people. I've always taken an independent approach when it comes to completing tasks. In that instance, I realized it would have taken less time to complete the task if I were to ask questions. Growing up, I used to be pretty shy, and I never felt comfortable with asking questions. Now that I'm an adult, I've come to understand the importance of asking questions and how beneficial it truly is.
Great. So you have notes for it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you have any boyfriend?
Yes, I do have a boyfriend.
So for example, they are asking you the question that what's the benefit of having a boyfriend?
That's like an inappropriate question.
No,
During-
not.
During an
You
interview,
have to consider it in a positive way.
I'm not saying it's inappropriate right now. It's fine that you're asking me this, but I feel like if a hiring manager were to ask me that, that would be a little sketchy. I feel like, I don't know.
For example, they are asking me
uncomfortable.
how I should handle. I mean, you can suggest me any specific answer, positive answer for this?
The boyfriend one?
Yes.
So, sorry, what was the question again?
So, having a boyfriend is, I mean, do you have any specific benefit of having a boyfriend in your life?
I think so. I feel like having a boyfriend gives you a sense of companionship, and it gives you a sense of I feel like love is such a beautiful thing. And in movies and stuff, I grew up watching like the princess movies and love, and like I love romantic rom-coms and stuff like that. But actually experiencing love is like the best feeling in the world. And once you experience it, you never like want to go back to being single because it's like just so amazing. And just having that sense of loyalty, companionship, being there for one another is so beautiful, and I wouldn't change it for the world. I just love it.
Yes, that's great. So you mean that we can actually point out the positive aspects of having a boyfriend, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes, that's great. And for example, they are asking that why we should hire you, because why we should hire you? We have the people who are much talented than you. Then why we should hire you?
I would start off. Hold on, I'm not really sure. I don't really know.
You have everything noted down, right?
I mean, I do here and there, but it takes time to like prepare these things because you have to do a lot of research on the company as well, and it just takes time to prepare.
No, actually, this is the like instant question. So, for example, if someone is asking us, then how we should handle this type of question, even we are not aware of the other alternatives. Like there are a lot of websites through which we can get the clue, but from our inner self, how we will be handling this means what's your own actual reason, which you can explain them.
I would say that you should hire me because I have experience in so and so field. I speak 3 languages. I bring a lot of attributes. I can bring a lot of attributes to your company that other people can't. And then I'd list the ways I'd bring all these attributes, whatever they may be. And I'd say that, like, I just say something, I don't know. I try to sell myself as much as possible. Sell yourself.
So you mean that you will try to prove yourself that you are the best one for their company, right?
Exactly.